In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily disable Norton security. This is a handy skill if you find that your antivirus is getting in the way of certain tasks, or if you need to troubleshoot issues with your computer. Before we start, it's important to note that disabling your antivirus temporarily can expose your computer to potential threats. So make sure you have a good reason and enable it again as soon as you're done with the task at hand. First off, you'll want to start by opening the Norton app. To do this, simply locate the Norton icon on your desktop, or search for it in your Start menu. Click on it to launch the application. Once you're inside the app, you'll notice various options laid out on the main dashboard. What you want to do here is to navigate to the section labeled Security. Clicking on this section will bring up more detailed security settings that you'll need to access for this process. Now, within the Security section, you'll need to find something called Advanced Security. This next step involves clicking on Advanced Security. This area houses more specific and adjustive tools, which include the functionality to disable certain aspects of the antivirus temporarily. Navigating through these options might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, it's more intuitive than it appears. Once you're in the Advanced Security section, look for an option called Auto Protect. Auto Protect is a feature within Norton that runs in the background, continuously scanning for potential threats. And it's this feature that we're going to temporarily disable. To do this, you'll want to find and click on Auto Protect, where you will see an option to turn it off. When you click to turn off Auto Protect, it will typically prompt you to confirm and possibly ask how long you'd like it to remain disabled. Choose the time duration that best fits your needs. Generally, you can select anything from a few minutes to until your next restart. This gives you the flexibility to disable the protection only for as long as you actually need it off. Be cautious with this step, setting it for as shortly as your task requires, which ensures your system remains protected. Now, a quick note. Remember, after you complete whatever troubleshooting or task you needed to perform, head back into the Norton app and re-enable Auto Protect. This ensures your system stays secure and free from potential threats. That's it. You've now learned how to temporarily disable Norton security. Always remember to switch it back on and make sure your computer is protected around the clock. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more cybersecurity tips.